Earlier today, Matt knocked all these over. Right when he was about to leave, he opened the wrong side, and all the sockets fell out. All these fell onto there and almost into the drain.
I like being optimistic. There's nothing like a good laundry basket. Some people might wonder what happens when you need to take all your float tank water and take it out of your tank. We went all professional. We got some, we're pretty professional, right? That's a yes.
I'm dying.
You're what?
I said I'm dying.
You're dying?
Oh! Have you had your spine burn?
What?
Yeah, my spine's burning. Oh man!
I don't think that's healthy. Well, it is past 1 o'clock. I think it's 1:30 right now.
By the time I said we'd be done by 10 p.m.
No, I don't actually.
Yeah, that's because I was incorrect.
Did you say 10 p.m.?
Yeah,
I think shortly after it's like, you know what, 10:30. We still got this.
You know the funny thing about like setting timers for how long like you think projects like this are gonna take?
Yeah.
Is that I actually believe that I can be done by that time. Because I don't have a doubt in my mind that I can be done by 10 p.m. My body's gonna feel great after this week.
I heard something's good for that.
I heard that maintaining sustained positions, and lifting, not using your knees, is the best way to
This looks like it's really comfortable.
do anything in life. Oh, nice. Oh,
Look at this sweat, everybody. That's some next level float sweat.
Laughing doesn't do anything right now, actually. Alright. Let's see that on this stuff. Oh, that's actually not too much fun. How many times have I said that today?
At least like 14.
This time it's actually kind of true. There's not too much left. Woo! I think. What time is it right now?
1:30.
I think we'll be out here by 1:45.
So, you remember me saying that I thought it was like 1 or 1:30? It's actually like 2:15.
By the time I said we'd be done by 10 p.m.
While JP's getting some stuff finished up in the back, I realized we haven't done a ton of actual float content in terms of asking questions. So, in my day's state, when's a good time to float? After you've spent most of the day trying to replace filters in your own float tanks. But on a serious note, really any time's a good time to float. You could go in the morning, in the afternoon, after you've slept well, after you haven't slept, before yoga, after working out, or before working out, or after yoga. It really just doesn't matter. You just kind of find your own flow. One of the biggest things you end up wanting to do before you decide here's the best things is just playing around with it. Need help? This segment of late night 2 o'clock chats with Matt is going to come to an end. Where are you?
In room 5. Get you to mark this. That's it. Okay, what time is it? 5:22. That was a very long day. Back at it tomorrow. I hope the hard work pays off, because I'm pretty sore.